Turn off the camera for me real quick. Hey, Carrigy.
Hey,
Carrigy.
turn this light off back here, Carrigy.
Carrigy, come here.
Carrigy, let me turn this, hit the trunk so I can turn this light off back here, because that's...
Both of you, come here, come here, come here, come here. Sion, come here.
Shut your camera off.
Listen to me real quick. I need you to take control of your suspects. Okay? If they're talking shit, if you need to freaking take them to jail, you need to hobble them, you need to whoop their fucking ass, you whoop their ass, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I need you to hold and take them. Alright? Make those decisions for me. I should not be making them for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Good talk. Justice say.
Dude, they're giving us a runaround.
Okay, then just take them to